A very good morning to ladies and gentlemen. Today, I'm going to talk about a really serious topic, which is about bullying. Have you ever been bullied before? Have you ever cried yourself to sleep every night because you don't want to go to school the next day? Have you ever tried to risk your own life just because you don't want to live anymore? Bullying is an unwanted aggressive behavior among the school-aged children that involves power imbalance. Both kids who are bullied and who bully others may have a serious, lasting mental health problems. There are so many factors that motivate bully behaviors. Bullies want to feel strong and powerful by insulting or laughing someone. They want to get attention from their family who did not give them. They want to be aggressive. They want to be strong. They want to be loved. As we know, bullies were attention-seeking individuals who want to be noticed or to be the superior in the community. They pick on the people that they don't fit in, maybe because of their looking, their behaving, their body size, their sexual orientation, or just because they are too perfect. But what about the people who are bullied by others? When study shows that when bullying goes on and on, it can put a person in a state of constant fear. They might also think about suicide. Can you imagine how hopeless they are until they prefer to end up their life instead of keep being bullied by others? For them, suicide is not just ending their life. Instead, it is a kind of release, a kind of freedom. Have you ever think about that? Do they really want to be the one who always been bullied or who always been loved by others? Do they really have a choice to choose their looking, their family backgrounds, or their sexual orientation? Most of the outsiders will choose to hide themselves or just to ignore the existence of bully case. But they don't know how important they are. Their stand up, their support, even their encouragement might save a person's life. Try to imagine that if one day you are the one who bullied by others. Everyone is standing around you, staring at you, whispering at each other, but no one is going to help you. What would you think? How hopeless and disappointed would you be? We can see many people who have been bullied by others before go to the stage, tell the people how did they feel, how did they stand up for themselves, and how did they recover from the pain. Most of the people might feel like, bullying is not that serious, right? There are so many people can get over it. I seriously don't agree with this type of statement. We have not been bullied before. We don't know what do they think, what do they feel, and how much bullying hurts. Please remember that not everyone has a spirit which is strong enough to get over the pain. As outsiders, we must not watch this issue with folded arms. Instead, we should give them our helping hand. The less innocent people being bullied, the less enmity and more love will be shown in our community. Our world is keep developing and improving, but I hope at the same time, people's hearts are still warm and our world is still fulfilled with love and kindness. Of course, one person's power is definitely not enough to handle this issue. So now, let's hold a rally and bond together to eliminate this issue. Thank you.